Okay, to get started, I just added a video and audio clip to my timeline that has some footstep audio. I'd like to add echo. Now, let's begin by going over to the Effects panel and type Surround Reverb into the search box. Then drag the Surround Reverb effect onto your audio clip. Okay, now when I play this back, it has the Surround Reverb effect. But it's way too quiet. We can't really hear it. So to edit the effect, make sure your audio clip is selected and go over it to Effect Controls under Surround Reverb. Click the Edit button for custom setup, and I'll just move this pop-up a bit so we can see our video in time. The first thing we'll want to do in the pop-up is increase the gain. You'll probably need to increase it quite a bit. This time when I play it back, I can hear the reverb echo, but it's still too quiet. So back on the timeline, right-click your audio clip and select Audio Gain so that we can adjust the pre-process gain in here. I'm going to adjust my gain by 15. I don't recommend doing more than that for this pre-process gain, since it can cause too much distortion. And now when I play this back, it's much louder. Okay, the last adjustment I'm going to make is decreasing the room size, since this building isn't quite as big as a full-blown. I think that sounds more accurate now. So that's basically all I change, but you can certainly play around with these other settings if you're trying for a more specific sound. It also might be a good idea to try a different impulse preset. I really like how much echoing there is in the cathedral, so I usually stick with. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.